Hello dear watchers, now we're going to show you 3 surprising uses of a banana peel. We all know that bananas are very healthy and delicious. Bananas are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and nutrients, may support heart health, improve kidney health, and easy to add your diet. But have you ever thought of using banana peel? Probably not. Surprisingly, there are many uses of it. But before we start, please subscribe and activate the ring bell notifications, as well as this will allow you not to miss any of our next videos. No more wasted leftover. Here are 3 ways to use a banana peel. 1. Cures pimples and spots. Are you looking for a natural solution to clear off pimples from your skin? We have good news, you found it. Massage banana peels on the problematic area every evening for a few minutes. You should see the difference within a week. 2. Reduces wrinkles and puffy eyes. Party last night? Or getting ready for a date and want to refresh your look quickly? Place a small banana peel under your eyes or mix it with an egg yolk and apply it on your face for 5 minutes, then wash it off. 3. Helps whiten your teeth. We have a super easy method for shinier and whiter teeth. Step 1. Wash and rinse your teeth well. Step 2. Peel a banana and rub the inside of the peel on your teeth for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 3. Rinse your teeth again. Step 4. Repeat it daily until you reach the whiteness and brightness level you like.